In this little video we are going to connect a domain to your Influencersoft account to save time, money and effort and improve your results. So let's get started. Please click on Websites and afterwards you want to click on Settings. Here you can see I already have a domain that is active. Now I'm going to add another domain. This is the new domain name. Now I can click on Next. And it says that the DNS server is wrong, so I need to correct that. So let's click on a little button here that says Get DNS settings for your domain. And I need to copy these two entries here. Here are my DNS records for the domain on GoDaddy. So let's copy the first entry here. I need to change the name server. That can be done in DNS management. Here is a link where I can change the DNS server. So let's paste the first entry. I'm going to repeat that for the second one. And now I click on Save. It now says that I need to confirm the change. Yes, I agree and I want to continue. And here we are. I have just changed the name server entries. So it will take some time, usually about half an hour. Then we can click on this little button and it should show us that the domain is confirmed. Until that is the case, this entry here will remain red. So all I need to do is to come back in a few minutes and click on a little button here to activate my domain. Then I will see such a green entry like this one. This domain is already verified. I have an IP address. And once this one is active, I can also say that this is my store domain. You can toggle the changes here. I'm not doing it right now, but in this little video you have learned how to connect a domain to your own influencer account, and you have done it yourself within 5 minutes or less.